Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be just a quick get ready with me video. We have plans to take our kiddos to the park today, so I thought, you know, I'm not going to go like big above and beyond with my makeup. I'm just going to do something kind of simple and I'm going to just try out a new eyeshadow palette that I haven't got to play with yet, but I know I featured it in a haul video, so I thought I would just do it. So I do have my eyebrows filled in so far. I just used my E.L.F. Brow pencil in the soft brown. And then for foundation, I already put it on, and I just used my Maybelline FitMe foundation. It's the matte and poreless one in 122. This is my everyday go-to makeup foundation, and then I wear this to work. So I use this every day. I just use my damp Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And just blended it in. So typically I don't do a whole lot. I don't do like, you know, I don't do a lot of the highlight. Well, I do. I just don't do baking. I don't do concealer, a lot of that. I just make it quick, simple, and easy. So that's what I'm just going to show you today. So yes. So first things first, I'm just going to bronze up my skin using the number 7 bronzer in Caramel. So I'm just going to use this real quick. I'm just going to dip it in just to give myself a nice glow. Typically, when I do go to work, I don't wear a lot of, which I know I already kind of did a video like this. I don't use a lot of eyeshadow, but today I am, so I thought the focus still won't really be on my eyes. So I'm just gonna, I really just deepen my cheekbones with the bronzer, the spring break this week, so we're just gonna take them to the park, kind of do like a little picnic kind of thing for them. So that will be fun. Pretty excited. They've been looking forward to this all week. So then I'm just gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics contour palette. I'm gonna probably use, probably a mixture of these two here. I'm just gonna grab my little Real Techniques, dip it in there. Hope everyone's having a great week. I didn't get to put a video up on Sunday just because we were so busy with rearranging our daughter's rooms, and we bought them bunk beds, so we were putting those together all day, and I just didn't have a good time to just film and upload, so I apologize about that inconsistency. Don't worry, I'll buff this all out. But I just want like to make sure I have like a really good contour line, you know, when I'm trying to look natural but not really natural. I know it looks a little harsh, but we will just, I'll buff it out before I'm done, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm going to go in and contour my nose real quick. I'm just going to use this guy here to contour. Oh, yeah. I'm thinking about doing like a February, March hit and miss video. I don't know, though. There wasn't too many misses. There wouldn't be too many misses, so I'm kind of contemplating about that, but we'll see. So I'm just contouring my nose, giving it some shadow so it doesn't look too big. My last video I did was my husband does my makeup challenge video, and I had so much fun filming that. I think he got a big laugh out of it too, but this is just my little contour brush. No product on it, just cleaning out the edges there. But my mom was just like, it was so funny. She really loved it. All my sisters really enjoyed it. So it was fun getting to create a video with him. He was so nervous the whole time. He's like, I don't know what your makeup is. He was like, I didn't know what to say, Ryan. I'm like, it's fine, Lucas. You did great. Like, you did great. So I'm going to go ahead and use my, what blush do I want to use today? I'll use this one. Let's just use this. So this is the NYX Chaotic Blush. It's just this really pretty soft pink. It's got some sparkle in it or some shimmer, but you can't really tell. So we just want to make it definite, and not definite, but you just really want it to show. This is a really pretty color. All right. I like to highlight a lot, but I usually like to use more golds than anything when I highlight, so do I have a gold highlighter? That's not, we'll just use this one. All right, so this is an Ulta Beauty brand. It comes in a little box set. One of my coworkers had got me one that comes with, you know, like the lipsticks, the eyeshadows, blush, contour, and stuff like that. So this is what this is. It's by Ulta Beauty. It's got a really pretty gold shimmer highlight in there. So I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to dip my Eco Tools brush in there. And it's a really, really pretty highlighter, so. It's also got a pink one. It's got 2 blushes, bronzer, and then 2 highlights. A pinky kind of one, and then a gold one. But usually I just like highlight myself up when I don't put too much makeup on. Or, you know, when I don't go out like a 10 with it, so. So there's that. And if it did have, oh, it's a champagne highlighter is what it is what it's called. It's very pretty. Hello. All right, so then for eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work in the Wet n Wild. This is the Walking on Eggshells. I gotta dust it off. There's a lot of fallout in these, but so this is the one that comes with the, you know, it tells you how to put them on, about the brow, the eyelid, the crease, and then the transition color. So I'm just going to use it in this exact order. No prime on my eyes or anything. So what do I want to do? So I guess I'll just start first with, I'm going to do my transition color first. They say use it fourth, but what do they say use your brow bone one first. So okay, we'll use the brow bone, which is this kind of goldy silvery kind of color. I'm just gonna follow the instructions on here, whatever. We'll just use this. Ooh, it's a little Morphe little mini contour brush that I don't ever use for contour. So it says to use on your brow bone first. Just following the picture. Alright, and then it says second you use the eyelid, which is this kind of pinky, shimmery pink. So I guess we will just do that. I'm going to use my little E.L.F. brush, eyeshadow brush, so we'll just dip into there. Just a pretty, pretty pink. It's a very shimmery palette. I have not worn a lot of shimmer like this in a while. I feel like as an adult I'm all about the mattes more now. And I never thought pink was a really good color on me, so, or I just couldn't get into it, I don't know. This is a really pretty color though. Definitely makes your eye pop. Alright, so third it says use your crease. I don't know if I like it. I think I'm going to use my transition color first before I use my crease one, because that makes me nervous. So I'm going to go in with the transition color. No. I don't think I like their order that they go in. I really think it's too realistic. So we'll go in with the transition. There is a lot of fallout with these palettes, but they were less than $3, so. And like I said, I don't care if this doesn't look perfect. I'm just going to be out with my kids and husband. And it's just going to be a comfortable, casual kind of day for me, so I don't really care. So I'm just going to work this in the eyelid. This is probably more eyeshadow than I would typically wear, but whatever. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the crease color, which is actually, now that I think about it, the only matte shade in this palette is the transition color. And everything else is shimmer. I'm just putting this in my crease as it instructs me to do. Interesting. So I'll just go back in with the pink eyelid because that's now pretty much gone. Oh my god, this is just so much shimmer for me. A lot of freaking shimmer. I'm just gonna buff it. I think I'm gonna go back in with the transition color, just because it kind of breaks up the shine, the glitter. There we go. Alright, that works for me. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I actually really do like this mascara. The only downside to it is that I feel like it definitely does make me feel like my eyelashes are a lot longer. And the way it separates them is, you know, I really like the way the product looks on my eyelashes. It does, it's a little trickier to get off than my L'Oreal. And closer to the end of the night, I do kind of, I can tell that there is some fallout. But aside from that, I really do like this product. And this was under $3 too, I believe, so it did get some on my eyelid, but that's fine. I'll just take a dry Q-tip and just clean it. But I feel like this really gets my bottom lashes really good. And I just like this brush. I'll clean this up before. Let's see this one. This one is a matte. It's called Almond Rose in Maybelline. It's just a pretty simple kind of peachy color. I am not digging the eyeshadow, but whatever. Alright guys, so this is the final product, just something quick and easy where I could throw it on and then get ready to leave out the door so I could hang out with the kiddos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys back here on Sunday. I think I'm going to attempt to do a bridal tutorial kind of video for you guys, so if that's something you guys are interested in, you should definitely come back on Sunday to check it out. But I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and then I will see you guys back on Sunday. Bye guys.